We all work hard, but somehow, after paying monthly bills, EMIs, groceries, and those little treats, there is hardly anything left to save. Most people think that we need big salaries to start investing. Some say that I'll start next month or next year. But that day barely comes. Remember, your life will keep moving and your expenses will keep growing. But here is a mind-blowing part. If you start investing 1000 rupees every month consistently over a period of time, it can turn into 1 CR. Yes, just 1000 rupees. It's not magic, it's maths, consistency, and power of compounding. That sounds strange and crazy, right? In this video, we are going to talk about SIP, that is Systematic Investment Plan, and how even small, that is very insignificant money, if done rightly, can completely change your life. In this video, we will cover everything step by step. That is why most people never build wealth. How, what, and why SIPs, how increasing your SIP accelerates your wealth, and how you can start investing today. By the end of the video, you will not only understand how important investment is, but you will exactly know how to invest, where to invest, how much funds to invest, and how you can start your journey to becoming next big Crorepati. Namaste friends, I am Rohini and you're watching the knowledge series of fincash.com. Most people never track of where their money actually goes. Living cost silently eats away of what they earn. Most households are barely left with 10 to 15% for their savings and investment. After all the expenses for food, monthly bills, EMI, school fees, groceries, medical expenses. Above all this, there is one basic mistake that most people commit. That is, they wait for perfect time. People say I'll start investing when I earn more. But delaying even a few years can cost lakhs in lost compounding. Many people even stop during market dips. Market ups and downs are normal. Panicking and withdrawing early kills your growth. Most people think that they need big amounts to start investing. But in reality, you need thousands or even 100 if you invest for a long term but consistently. Remember, it is not your income that delays your investments. It is delayed action, inconsistent habit, and fear of market. The solution is to start small, because early investment beat late investment every time. Systematic Investment Plan or SIP is when you start investing a particular amount over a consistent period of time. Through SIP, your money can be invested in mutual funds, which historically gave 10 to 15 annual returns over a long term. These small amounts accumulate and grow, taking advantage of compounding and market fluctuation. So is SIP restricted to only mutual funds? Not at all. SIPs aren't limited to one type of investments. Here are many options. Even in mutual funds, you can invest in equity that is focused for long-term growth, debt funds that gives more stable and is focused to a short-term investment, hybrid that is mix of equity and debt funds. Second option is gold, like gold ETFs or sovereign gold bonds that allows monthly investment. Third option is stock. Though it is less common, but some brokers allow SIP-like recurring purchases of individual stock. You even have digital investment platforms or robo-advisors. Many apps automate SIPs into diversified portfolio of stock, bonds and ETF. But the most important element is to choose the right SIP for your future. You have to check the historic returns and choose the right product as per your risk tolerance and as per your financial goals. So if you ask why systematic investment plan? Because it gives two major benefits. One is power of compounding, which means your money earns returns and then those returns also start earning returns. It's like a snowball that keeps growing bigger and bigger. Let me give you an example. Suppose you invest 100 every month. Assume a 14% annual return, which is realistic for equity mutual funds. After 35 years, your 100 monthly SIP grows into 8.5 lakhs. And the second major benefit is rupee cost averaging. Market goes up and down. Sometimes your mutual fund units are expensive, sometimes they are cheap. If you try to time the market, like buying only when prices are low, you might miss or make mistakes. SIPs solve this automatically through rupee cost averaging. Imagine you're investing 1000 rupees every month. In the first month, the price of 1 unit of your fund is 100. So your 1000 buys 10 units. The next month, the price rises to 200. Now the same 1000 only buys 5 units. Then the month after, the prices drop to 50. Suddenly your 1000 buys 20 units. So let's understand what's happening here. Over time, your average cost per unit balances out. You automatically buy more when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, without doing any calculation yourself. That's the power of rupee cost averaging. Now that you have understood how systematic investment plan works and how compounding grows your money, now let us understand how increasing a systematic investment plan amount can supercharge your wealth. Most people think that I start with small and that would be enough. That could be true, but here is the secret. The more you invest, the faster your corpus grows, because every extra rupee also compounds over time. Now let me show you with numbers. If you invest 1000 every month for 40 years at 14% annual returns, you end up with around 1.68 crores. If you increase it by 500, that is, if you invest 1500 every month, you get around 2.60 crores. And if you invest 5000 every month, it grows to 8.65 crores. And if you invest 10,000 every month, a whooping 17.30 crores. Of course, these numbers are not accurate and the number will scale proportionally. But the key idea behind this is small amounts build wealth over decades, but increasing your SIP, that is SIP amount, grows your corpus immensely. One of the important factors in systematic investment plan is your age. Age factor plays a big role. The more early you start, the more you earn. Now let us look how it works. You start 1000 per month at age 25. With 14% annual returns, by the time you are 60 years, your investment grows over 89 lakh. Start the same SIP at the age of 35, and by 60 it grows to 23 lakhs. The same if you start at the age of 45, you barely reach to 5 lakh, even though you invested the same amount. So remember, time, consistency, and gradually increasing your SIP amount exponentially grows your money. So start your systematic investment plan today. Open your account with mutual fund distributor like fincash.com. Complete your KYC, that is know your customer online, with your PAN and Aadhaar. You can set up a SIP online. Most app or website allow auto debit from your bank every month. This makes investing automatic and hassle-free. Third is pick the right fund. The pro tip here is diversify your investment across 2 to 3 equity funds and a debt funds to balance your risk. But you need to have patience and discipline to let your investment grow. The fourth tip is start small but stay consistent. As your income grows, your SIP gradually grows. The key is consistency and not initial amount. The most important tip is ignore market noises. Market will go up and down. Do not panic during crashes, nor do not exit your investment. Stay invested for a long term, especially you're investing in small cap or mid cap funds, and allow compounding and rupee cost averaging work magic for you. Building wealth is not about luck, connection, or earning massively every month. It is about starting small but consistently, starting today and not delaying any more further, and let compounding do the heavy lifting for you. The 1000 rupee that you invest today, and even for that matter 500 or even 100 rupees, they might seem to be small in size, but remember, it can transform your finances completely. It is your journey towards financial freedom. The most important step that you can take today is start investing today and do not wait for perfect time. Patience, discipline, and consistency is the real magic. So take that step today. If you want some of the best systematic investment plan to invest, comment below saying SIP funds and we will share you the link so you can start your financial journey. It is your money, invest smartly. Remember, even ordinary people can achieve extraordinary wealth if they invest smartly. But you need to have a goal that you want to be financially free. and do not let money constrain your dreams or goals.